As I stand here today, I'm still in awe of the person standing across from me. I'm so very blessed to be the person you have chosen to spend your life with. Your love, patience, kindness, generosity, and selflessness leave me nothing short of amazed and inspire me daily. I promise you today that no matter what life has in store for us or where it takes us, I'll always be right by your side to face it all. I love you more than words can say, and I know that love will only continue to grow with every day, from today into eternity.
Chase, I vow with my love for you will never fade. I stand here today promising to love you for as long as we shall live. I vow to encourage you and your dreams. I vow to be your biggest supporter. I vow to embrace you for who you are. I vow to always let you read every billboard sign as we drive down the road. Because Geico's going to save us a lot of money. I vow to never forget that our love is a Hallmark movie. I know my vows are all over the place, puzzles scattered all around, but you are the piece that makes my picture whole. I love you completely and unconditionally, and today I stand here to give you myself and my love for you.
Brittany and Chace, I now pronounce that you are husband and wife. Chace, you may now kiss your bride. I'd like to introduce to you for the very first time as husband and wife, Mr. and Mrs. Chace and Brittany Chace.
We came into each other's lives at the perfect time, and we were literally inseparable, like sisters. I'm proud to say that we have shared some of the best experiences of our lives together. Many memories made, from going to university together, to traveling the world together, and watching each other grow to be successful and happy. Brittany, you are the true definition of a best friend. You are kind, beautiful inside and out, and you have such a fun, loving spirit. Chase, you're one lucky man.
Good evening, everyone. I want to make a toast to the bride and the groom. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Bo, and I'm Chase's younger brother. Naturally, as Chase's younger brother, I did my best to annoy him when we were growing up, but he was always patient with me and helped me more than he knows. You deserve the best, and I'm so happy for both of you. The stressful part is over now, and you guys can let loose. John Lennon put it so simply yet so true when he said, "All you need is love." I first recognized you guys have that type of love when we went on a beach vacation over a year ago. Ever since then, I had a feeling that this day would come. I got to see your relationship grow again when Kirsten and I were lucky enough to be a part of your beautiful engagement at Lou Gardens in Winter Park. And now we're here to celebrate your marriage. Welcome to the family, Brittany. Kirsten is so sad she can't be here, but she wants to personally congratulate you guys, and I'm going to read a message from her. Congratulations, Chace and Brittany. Brittany, I know you look absolutely stunning tonight. I am so excited to have another sister, especially one as sweet and caring as you. Chace, you are one of the best men I know, and I am so happy you found your perfect match. After a crazy year, one thing I have learned is to cherish every moment together and love hard. I love you guys.